Welcome back to Sunday Pips. I'll be going over my best pairs for next week. Today I only have 3 pairs. The other ones look trash. EURCHF weekly bullish, looks beautiful for buys. Love this pin bar, rejecting round psychological level 200, rejecting that previous structure point and this beautiful area of interest with 1, 2, 3 touches. Daily bearish, don't look good for buys. 4 hour also bearish. This the lower high, lower low. I need a minimum of 2 time frames in sync to take a trade. Right now I only have weekly confirming my bias to go long. I will have to wait for 4 hours to close above this line, shifting bullish, and then I might wait for that pullback. Within this pullback, go down to that 1 hour, it will shift bearish to create it. And once it shifts bullish, if I get an engulfing, that's when I'm gonna take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere around here or just under this zone. Take profit 1 will be right here at this line. Whenever we're under it, price tends to go down. For example, right here, it went down. Final take profit up here. EURGBP weekly bearish, lower high, lower low. Daily bullish, higher high, higher low. 4 hour bullish, very easy. Pullback, 1 hour will go bearish to create it. Once it shifts bullish, I'm gonna take the trade if I get an engulfing. Stop loss somewhere under this zone. Take profit 1, this line. When price is under, it tends to go down. Wicked into it, went down. Wicked into it, went down. Back here too, went down. Final take profit up here. AUDNZD, this is probably my favorite pair for next week. Weekly bearish, rejecting round psychological level 10,000, retesting the previous structure point and this beautiful zone with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. Very strong area of interest. Daily bearish, this is the lower high, lower low. 4 hour is bullish. I'll wait for 4 hours to shift structure, create a higher high, and then shift the bearish. Pullback. Within this pullback, 1 hour will go bullish to create it, and once it shifts, I take the trade. Stop loss somewhere around here or just above this zone. Take profit 1 will probably be somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Touched it, went up. And right here too, it went up. Back here too, it went up. And it also does a pretty good job keeping price down. Very strong area of interest. So take profit 1 and final take profit, daily structure point down here. Or I'm gonna wait for 4 hours to do something like this. Shift the structure, pull back, and then 1 hour shift of structure and an engulfing, and I take the trade. Stop loss would then be somewhere around here. Take profit, same place as before. Daily, I don't really like the daily. I don't like this right here. But if price did something like this, engulfing, and then a wick, next candle does a wick, and then it pushes down. If we go down to that 4 hour, this will look like this. Ah, man, this Wi-Fi, bro. Man, hurry up, bro. On the 4 hour, the daily engulfing will be the shift of structure shift, and that wick will be the pullback, and the push down will be the move. So I'll be looking to enter right here on the 1 hour. Once it shifts right here, if I get that engulfing, that's when I'm gonna enter. Stop loss will be somewhere around here. Take profit, same place as before. Let's do a quick recap. EURCHF, wait for 4 hour to go bullish, pullback, look for buys. EURGBP, 4 hour, pullback, look for buys. AUDNZD, 4 hour, shift of structure, look for sells. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts, and good luck with your trades. Peace. See ya next week.